Hey everybody, Shabo here, back from the video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a mute music button in Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get the music. So I'm just going to go to Toolbox, and go to here, and go and press this. And then I'm going to go to audio. Now these should pop up. I'm just going to pick this one. Then it should appear in Explorer. If you don't have it open, you can go to View. Go to here. And you should also have Properties open. So it can be down here. You can change the settings, like the volume. You change that to 1. You can do this and stuff. You can even change the name to music. And now we have the music. Now we're going to add the mute music button. So the first step you're going to want to do is go to Starter GUI. You're going to click it. Then you want to go up here. It should automatically select that. If it doesn't, then you just want to click that at the top. Then click Screen GUI. Now, you want to press one of these buttons, either text button or image button. I'm just going to put the text one. Now, if you go down to Properties, you can change the size. I recommend doing something like this, and then changing the size to whatever you want. So I'm just going to do this, and move it down there. And I'm going to scroll down here and change the text to mute. And change this. So now we have the mute button. And now we're going to have to make it mute the audio. But before we start scripting, you want to right click Workspace, insert object, and find sound group. So you can just put it in the search bar. The sound group. You can click it, and then it should appear under Workspace. If you don't see it, you want to click this arrow right here, and then it'll appear right there. So now you want to click the music you inserted, then scroll down to Properties and change the sound group to that. So now if you click on here and change the total volume, and assign multiple music to this, just in case you have more than one. Like music 2, that could be on the same sound group. Whenever you change this, it'll change both of them. So now, you can put that on 0.5. I'm going to remove this extra one. And I'm going to right click this, insert object, and then local script. You can also type it in. Click that. Now we're going to start scripting. So the first thing we're going to want to do is set some variables. So I'm just going to do local button equals script.parent. So it's going to go from the script to the button. And then the sound group equals workspace, wait for child, sound group. The reason we're doing this instead of dot sound group is just in case it hasn't loaded yet, because this sometimes loads faster. And then it'll just go from here to there, then boom, that's the variable. So now, and make it so whenever you touch it, or tap it, or click it, that it mutes all the music. So, button.touch tap, connect, click, button.mouse button 1 click, connect, click. And then we're going to go back and make the function. So local function click. So whenever you tap it on mobile, it'll fire this. Whenever you click it, it'll fire this. So now we're going to make a toggle variable right here. So local toggle equals false. Now we're going to check if it's toggled. If it's not toggled, we mute it. And if it is toggled, then we make it make sound again. So if toggle equals false, then sound group volume equals 0. So that'll mute it. Else if, you can also do else, or you can do this. Also, else if toggle equals true, then sound group volume equals 1, or whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna set that to 0.5. And we're gonna want to do this. So toggle equals not toggle. So it swaps from true to false. And boom, that's how you make the button. So now, if we went to home and click played, or went to script menu and click played right there, you can hear the music. I'm gonna make sure this is off so you don't move anything. Now if we click this, it'll mute the audio. Now if we click it again, it plays again. And that's how you make a mute button in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch that subscribe button. Peace.